Let's walk through how to use landing pages, where you can create and customize your own online space that you can then share with your audience. And to do that, you'll need to go to your PostMyParty dashboard and click Landing Pages from the menu, then click the New Landing Page button here. Go ahead and enter the name of your page. I'm just going to name mine Test today, and then enter your description. Now this URL slug, this is creating the actual link that you'll be sharing with your audience, and it auto-fills the name that you created your page there, but you're also able to edit that to whatever you'd like. Once you're happy with this, click the Open Landing Page Editor. Now you have a few options here. You could go ahead and create your landing page totally from scratch, but we also have some templates available here if you'd like just kind of a starting point, a skeleton to start off with that you can then just edit and change and customize what's already there. And you'll notice that we have several templates here available to everyone in the basic subscription level. But we also have some scrolling down further. These ones that are noted with Pro are available to our professional subscription tier. I'm going to go ahead and just start off with a template that is already pre-made. And once you make your selection, click Next in the top. This is the page where you'll be really customizing everything. And you have a lot of tools available to you here. And I'm going to go over kind of the basics of how to use the different tools available to you. Let's say I want to put my logo at the top of the page. I'm going to go ahead and click the element that's already existing here. And over here in the right-hand column, I'm going to click Upload Image, which will take me to the documents that I have on my computer. And I'll go ahead and select the picture that I want there. And you'll notice it's really tiny. I won't be able to see that. So I can continue to go over here and decide how big I want it to be. Right here we have width and height. Let's say make the height 100. It makes it a little bigger. There, let's do that. Then instead of this text given here, I want to customize that. Again, over here in the right hand column, I can erase what's already there and put in what I prefer. Oops, there we go. Maybe you want to change the font or the color. Here's the text color. I've selected a color that I kind of want here, but then I can further adjust it by dragging and dropping this here. That looks good. Then right here, I can change the font to a font that I prefer. So what you'll find is anytime you want to change something that is already there on the page, click on it and then look in the right-hand column and there will be a lot of options given to you there. If you don't see exactly what you're looking for, you could try toggling to a different tab. Here we have the Styles and Inspect tab, and that can give you even more customization that you might be looking for that you're not seeing right away. Maybe you want to add something to the page that isn't already there. Kind of hover over where you want something to be and click this plus icon, and you'll have all of these different elements that you could add. Like let's say I want to add a button to my website, and I'm just going to go ahead and name it my website. Oops. And then right underneath there, you'll see the spot where you can enter your URL or the link to your website or wherever you're wanting it to link to. And then, let's see, I don't like it over there off to the side. So let's look at the text alignment, put it right in the middle there. I'd like to take one more quick look at the different elements that you can use. And most of these are pretty self-explanatory, like a heading, image, divider, things like that. But one thing I wanted to mention was this form element. And this is available to the Pro subscribers, and it allows you to add a form to your landing page. What I mean by that is you can ask for some sort of information from those who are viewing your web page here. That could be their email address, their phone number, something like that, where they can enter it into the form, and that information that they enter will be stored in your PostMyParty dashboard. That can be really useful if you're trying to, say, build your newsletter or your email list, something like that given there. If there are any elements that you do not want to use, you can go ahead and click this delete icon, which I'm going to do for several of like this last column here that I'm not going to use. And you can also move things up and down, really to just help adjust here on this middle page, as well as not just using the tools, the tools on the right-hand column. All right, so let's say I am happy with this. I don't want to add anything more and I'm ready to publish. I might want to check what this looks like on mobile. So on default, it is showing us the desktop view, but you can click this mobile view icon here to see what it would look like on a phone. So I might see, ooh, this looks a little wonky once you look at it on a phone, and I could go through and edit it just to make sure it's laying out exactly how I want to. So maybe I could change the text of this to be a little bit smaller or something. But once I am happy, I'll go ahead and make sure to click Save in the top corner, and it will bring us back to this page where we started. Now, it's not live yet. You need to make sure to click this Save Changes button to make sure that this page is live. So now it is live, and you can go ahead and share this landing page. Click the copy icon here, and I'll just go ahead and paste that in another tab, and we can see what this looks like. So here are all my changes made, and if I clicked on any of these buttons that I had created, it would take me to the website that I had entered in that right column. Lastly, if there's anything that you ever want to edit on your landing page, you can do that by clicking landing pages from your menu on the PostMyParty dashboard and click this edit icon beside the landing page that you want to make a change to, and it will bring you right back to this edit landing page.